You always want your child to go to a school that's a good fit for him or her. And I think that, we struck gold here.
Well, I think he's loving it. I thought he was going to be devastated. I had a hard time the first semester. But he's having a great time. He's happy here.
He was such a shy child, and I see him growing into such a great, big, and a beautiful human being now, and offering to the world that he has to offer.
Watched him grow, watched him learn and mature on this campus around these kids, and it's fascinating. He's more and more becoming like me.
I think what she likes the most is that her professors are very approachable, and they've been really wonderful.
Yeah.
In the small classes.
Yeah. When you go to Harvey Mudd, it's not just getting a degree, it's almost an achievement. It's like climbing a mountain. And she's like really close, and she's going to the top. So I think she's really excited right now.
We went to Introduction to Biology this morning, followed by carbon, is that what? Carbon compound.
Yes.
And just now we have linear algebra.
I go every year, and it's really a pleasant time. And I like the food, everything is good, and I spend time with my daughter.
I can show them, what I've been working on and walk around my classes and things. So it's nice to contextualize what I do here a bit.
I love meeting other parents, hearing about their concerns and anxieties, kind of connecting and having the opportunity to share and help others as we were helped when we came in.
We were kind of hesitant at first because it's such a small school, but I think that's really turned into a positive. Along with, of course, she has the opportunities at all the other campuses too, but the fact that she can reach out to any professor on campus, she's like, they know my name, they know how I'm doing. That's really been, I think, a huge advantage for her.
Now that I can look back, and it looks like it went really fast, but when I look back and I think, these kids, when they graduate, they'll be really ready for anything. I believe that they'll be very well prepared, because it's not only the technical part, but how they behave themselves. And that's a process, and so I'm really happy.
Thanks.